Hey friends, welcome back to Just a Little Homestead. Today we are going to be unpacking our sweet potatoes, the sweet potato slips actually that we got from Fedco Seeds. So I hope you'll stick around and watch the unpacking. We're going to put them in some water and get them ready to plant in a couple days. So I just got this box in the mail. It is showing here my sweet potato slips that I just got. These are from Fedco Seeds. I think that's what it's called, Fedco Seeds. I already got another Bogard and cannot remember the name of the other one. Jet something. I can put it on the screen. I don't remember the name of it exactly, but it was a bundle pack from Haas. I already got those. I have those in water. They've been in water for about 4-5 days, I'm assuming. So now this one here is going to go into this little vase because it says that I have to put it in water when I get it for a couple days. So I'm going to be doing that to this one. I forgot to record the other when I got that one in, so my apologies, but I'm going to record this one so y'all can see what I'm doing. This looks pretty good. Let me get my stand really quickly. Okay, so here's the package out the box. Now it says that I'm supposed to remove this immediately, remove the paper and the moss around each one, and I have to put it in water in the vase with water to the tips. What did it say? Enough water to cover the root tips only is what it says. So this looks nice. So this has quite a bit of moss here at the bottom. Still a little damp, which is nice. If I'm being honest, the ones that I got from Haas last week was completely dry. But this still has some moisture in it. These actually look in much better shape than the ones that I got from Haas. So now I just need to separate them and put them in the jar. And I think this is 25 slips. It's supposed to be 25 slips. Look at how pretty this is. This is definitely in much better shape. All the leaves on top are green. The ones that I got from Haas were not. I think I took a picture of the ones that I got from them. If I did, I will put it up on the screen so you can see, so you can compare. But look at how pretty. I don't remember the other ones looking like this at all. They're outside. I'll probably show you in a minute. Some of the leaves have bounced back, some of them have not. So I'm not sure how many I'm actually going to be able to plant. But these look wonderful. Next year, I might only be ordering my sweet potato slips from this company. These look so good. Well, I'm gonna wait because these are shorter, so I'm gonna let these fall on the bigger ones. These all look so good. There's like one more leaf over there that doesn't look good, but for the most part, everything looks gorgeous. So much better than my last order. And this is Fedco seeds. I will definitely be ordering from them again next year. I actually put the order for this in October, actually, of last year. I had just started gardening in, I think it was August, when I had my first little kit outside already growing, attempting to grow peppers, jalapenos, bell peppers, and tomatoes. And the only thing that I got to grow was the tomatoes because I didn't have anything on heat mats. I didn't know I needed heat mats for peppers. I just put everything in that little Jiffy set that I found at, I think it was Lowe's. I put all the seeds in there and I stuck it outside. And I was waiting for everything to grow. And the only thing that did was the tomatoes. August, September time frame is when it was. Now I know that I need the heat mats for the peppers, grow lights. So I did it right this year. Look at how nice. So pretty. And I just got some soil yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? I was going to go put all the Haw stuff in grow bags today. I have a couple of 10-gallon grow bags. I have 3 15-gallon grow bags that I got from their garden subscription club last month. So I was going to use that. And then I got the 100-gallon grow bag that I got from their discovery box, if y'all remember that. But I think I'm going to save the 100-gallon for this little bunch. I'm not sure how many I can put in a 100-gallon. What I've read so far says I can put 3 to 5 in a 15-gallon grow bag. So I'll have to see how many I can stick in a 100-gallon. This might be overkill if I put all of these in there. If there's 25, I should have been counting. I haven't even been counting this. I don't know why I wasn't. 2. I'm gonna have to go back through and count. Let me see. Okay, so I counted. I had 12 in here already. 13, 14. Look at this one. This is 1. It's all connected here at the bottom. This whole little thing, look at how big and beautiful. This is just 1 because this is connected. I'm not going to pull that apart. That is huge. I didn't get anything that looked like this from my other shipment. This is gorgeous. So that's 15. 16. 17. 18. This is another big one that got stuck here at the bottom. 19. I think that's stuck. Yes, it is. So I'm not pulling that apart. 20. 21. I think I might need to add a little bit more water. 22. 23. 24. 25. So 25 exactly. I had the exact number from Haas also. They didn't send any extras like they do the onions. I don't know if this comes directly from like from Haas or from Fedco Seeds or if it comes from another company that grows it for them. I'm not sure. Because this box looks identical to the other box that I got. All right. Get how nice. This already looks fabulous. So I'm very happy with this order. I wasn't sure what to expect because the only thing I had ordered before from Fedco Seeds is maybe like 4 or 5 packets of seeds. I've never ordered anything like this from them, but I am very, very pleased with what they sent me. All right, let's stick this by a window so we can get some light. And this is it. I'll show you the other, the ones outside. Give me a minute. Okay, so here are the ones that I got from Haas, and I just looked through my pictures. I did not take pictures. I don't know why. I didn't take any pictures. And it's called Georgia Jet. I don't know why I was saying Jet Star. I think that's a tomato plant that I have. But this is the Georgia Jet. So the leaves have come to life. This is the Bogard, like the one that I just got. And look at the difference between the Bogard that I just showed you from Fedco Seeds and this one. I mean, the difference is insane. It looks absolutely nothing like the fluffy, pretty ones that I just got. And they're standing up now, but they looked very bad whenever I got it. A lot of them didn't make it. So I've had them outside today so that they could get ready for me to plant, but I think I'm going to end up planting them tomorrow. I have been sick all week. I was waiting until I got off work today. It's Friday afternoon. I think it's like 4:30 already. So I've been waiting until I got off work so I could come outside and plant, but I don't feel so hot, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything today. I might just wait until tomorrow, Saturday morning, and just start early in the morning. The sun will be going down anyways in about 3 hours, so I really don't have much time. At least it'll give it another day to be outside before they're permanently outside. You can be outside in the cool tonight. It's not getting cold, but it's going to be like maybe high 60s tonight. So they'll be able to feel the weather before they're in the ground or in the grow bags. And it'll give me some time to figure out which grow bags I'm going to use anyways. Oh, but let me show you my new plants. Look, these are from the last seeds that I planted. These are the ones that were inside. Now they're outside getting a little bit of shady sun.
since there's not really a lot of sun outside today. But this, look what my daughter found and got me. It's a grape. Look how cute this one is. A Niagara grape. It's white. A white grape. Look at how pretty that is. We're going to put that on the trellis. And then this one, I think this one is the red seedless. Look at how pretty. And then we got this a couple days ago. This tree right here. It's a loquat tree. It's a Japanese plum tree. Oh my God, this thing just wrapped itself around the tree already. How do you do that so quickly? I just put you here. My husband has been wanting one of these. We had one at this house when we first moved in, and then it ended up dying. I don't know why. I think it's when it snowed years ago, and we never got another one after that. These are some more that just came out of the grow lights, so now they're getting ready to be outside. And so we found that tree. And the crazy thing is, I was going to pay $130 online at, I think it was trees.com. I don't remember the site. I think that's the site. But I was going to pay $130 so I could get that tree for my husband because he really wanted one of those Japanese plum trees. And I found that, or my daughter found it actually, at the Houston Garden Center for $19.99. Can you believe that? I I was just in shock when she told me the price. But look at how nice. These are all my peppers. And there's like 2 or 3 tomato plants in there from last year. I kept them in there. I didn't want to move them. And everything else is peppers, bell peppers, and jalapenos. Doing fantastic in the green stalks. This here, this little baby one, is my elephant garlic from Haas. And I think it got way too much water with the rain that we've had recently this week. We've had so much rain, and I honestly forgot all about it in the garden. And I didn't put it underneath the carport. And I think it got way too much water. So some of them have fallen. So I'm trying to figure out if I should just go ahead and harvest them or wait. I'm not really sure. I'm going to check the date of when I planted them. I think it was in November. And I need to see when they're going to be ready. Because they don't look so good. They look how I feel right now, which is not a good sign. So I'm not sure if they're going to be ready or if I lost them completely because of all this rain. But we'll see. But I'm going to go ahead and stop the video. Look at my loofah. It's going around my trellis. It's so pretty.
Okay, friends, we're going to go ahead and wrap up for today. Tomorrow is April 25th, Saturday. So we're going to go ahead and plant the Haas, Georgia Jet, and Bogard tomorrow. It's going to be another 3-4 days before I end up planting the Fedco sweet potato slips, but we'll do that together as well. So I hope you'll join me for the next video when we start planting the Haas variety sweet potatoes, and I will catch you next time. Have a great day, everybody.